So today I'm reviewing Samsung Galaxy S25 and helping you decide if it's the flagship most people should buy this coming holiday. But before we go step by step, here's something wild. If your current phone overheats, drains battery fast, or stutters during gaming, there's one hidden setting inside the S25 that instantly fixes all three. I'll show you that part in a minute. First, Galaxy S25 looks like a normal yearly upgrade until you start using it. You open the camera, then boom, new 50MP sensor processes photos twice as fast. You swipe around the UI, suddenly everything feels so smooth, it almost doesn't feel like an Android anymore. And here's the transformation moment that surprised me the most. The S25's new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip manages heat so well that even long gaming sessions barely warm the phone. If you've ever held a phone that felt like it might burn your hand, this is a massive improvement. Now, let's go back to the hidden feature. Inside the battery and device care menu, Samsung added a new adaptive thermal control mode. Turn it on and instantly battery lasts longer, performance becomes consistent, and overheating almost disappears. It's one of those features that Samsung doesn't advertise enough, but it changes everything. Design-wise, the S25 keeps things clean and minimal, but the brighter AMOLED display is a real upgrade, especially outdoors. And the AI enhancements, the new Galaxy AI tools actually work, from smarter photo editing to live call translations. Is it perfect? Not quite. The base model still doesn't have the periscope zoom of the Ultra, and charging speed is still behind some competitors. But for the price, and especially during holiday sales, this is the Android phone most people should buy. If you want a full camera test or setup guide for the S25, drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple US tech reviews.